Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to cover how to use the non-empty function in MDX Query. How does it helps to filter out the data. Here I have the queries already prepared here using the AdventureWorks. And here I'm trying to fetch internet sales amount and reseller sales amount for the product category and subcategory level. Here, when I execute this first query without non-empty function, it will fetch the records which are having the already values and the records don't have the values. You can see here there are the null records. I mean, there is no sales amount for this particular product and product category and subcategory, right? So this value doesn't make sense for our reporting purpose. Now I want to exclude these records. In fact, I want to play with the non-empty function based on the internet sales amount and reseller sales amount, and I want to show how it works. On the right side, if you look at this second query that I prepared here, so the non-empty function I applied here on the internet sales amount alone. Okay, I don't care what I see in the reseller sales amount. Now, if I execute this MDX query alone, so I get all the internet sales amount wherever we have a valid sales amount, those records alone we will be retrieved. So in this scenario, I retrieved the 18 rows. So the rows fetched information you can check here. So this is the where you can see that 18 rows. And now the third query here, if I in this query, instead of internet sales amount, now I want to fetch the reseller sales amount where I don't care about the internet sales amount. Okay, so I want to fetch wherever the reseller valid reseller sales amount. So now I execute this query. Then I get the wherever I have the valid sales amount information and respect to internet sales amount, I'll get it. Okay, in this scenario, you can see 34 rows retrieved. Okay, at any point, if you like to exclude the records from the both, so we can build another query where you can exclude the null records based on the two measures. Yes, you can do that. Now here what I do, I will add the two measures and I want to exclude the null records between the two measures. Okay, so now you can see here it's excluded the null records based on the two measures. If you go back and check on the left side the results, how many records I have a null records here? One and yeah, and two. So totally two null records. Those two null records are excluded. Now I got the 36 rows here. Okay, so this is how you can use the non-empty function to exclude the null records from your data set. Thank you.